Samsung rear projection. Not gonna grab that because it sucks. But yeah, there it is. All the connections and the speaker connections. It has 2 switched outlets. It's got a subwoofer connection, center channel as well. Here's your antenna connections and the video AUX input on the front. Made in Malaysia. Oh, it's missing one of the feet, so that's annoying. Cinema DSP Digital. Well, here it is. Yamaha. Ooh, the dust is kind of dirty. Made by Bando. Yeah, look at this. What the hell? Audio. These are Nichicon gold, right? Well, they're not really gold. It says audio. See Bosch on it? Really? No, they're Matsushita. Okay. I thought it said Bosch. I was like, what the hell? It's weird. Or Matsushita, whatever you want to say. So yeah, there's the inside of it. Cool. It's out of focus though. Ooh, mini disc / CDR. Cool. Hook it up later. Using that. Got from my converter box.
From the Top Radio 1190 Traffic Center. In Arlington on westbound 20, there's an accident blocking 2 right lanes at Bowen Road. Traffic is stop and go.
Sounds pretty good. Not too long ago, this used to be the oldies station. Then they started playing 80s stuff, and they switched it. And now it's just whatever. I like this song though.